Deepika Padukone, who broke the silence around mental health issues by speaking up about her own battle with anxiety and depression, has spoken about the importance of communicating and getting help. The actor has taken up the cause of mental health and keeps sharing resources for those battling with the same. She has now responded to a post by a comedian, Danish Said, who opened up about his own journey of battling with depression. However, she has highlighted that the names of the medicines and dosages should not be put out in public just to avoid any misuse and for those who are self-medicating. Bravo, Deepika. It's amazing to see how you defeat silence with support. Whether it's breaking the silence surrounding a taboo subject like mental illness or supporting a political movement, Deepika has always followed her heart and said what she knew deep down to be true and important. She was amongst the first actors amongst A-list stars to speak to a news channel and talk about how she battled anxiety and depression and overcame the mental illness by speaking out, seeking help and taking the support of her family. She shared a note on social media soon after Sushant's passing which said, "Talk, communicate, express, seek help." She has also shared other posts on social media asking media people to use the correct language while reporting on a case like Sushant's and asked people to acknowledge that depression is a form of mental illness that needs treatment. After Deepika's post, comedian and social media content creator Danish Said also shared a post on social media about his continuing treatment for depression, and like Deepika, he too asked people to break the silence and get the help needed to start recovery. Talking about his journey, Danish said, "My third year through therapy and antidepressants. I don't sleep at night without taking my tablet. Depression doesn't look like anything. It makes you feel like nothing from within. Hard to describe, harder to understand. Doctors or professionals have been my only hope." Responding to Danish's post on social media, Deepika thanked him for speaking about his struggle bravely, but also had a request that is important advice for anyone speaking about their mental health experiences. Deepika posted, "It is extremely heartening to see so many of you coming out and sharing your experience with mental illness. However, I would recommend not naming the medication you are on or the specifics of the dosage. Simply because 1. It is not a one-rule-fits-all, and 2. The information could potentially be misused." Bravo, Deepika! Your single-minded efforts to end the shame and stigma surrounding mental illness is a huge service to society.